Martin var gaibile, rena chahasha agus hashina dul Ionnsaich, òran and ye. Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here and we're going to learn a song today. Now, I'm recording this one right after filming my last song video, which as I mentioned in that one, I'm still recovering from COVID, my voice isn't 100%, so song video is probably a bit optimistic, but I still don't have enough brain to put together another sort of video, so we're going with song video, but if my voice sounds weird when I'm singing, that is why. So we're going to learn another puirt-a-beul, another mouth music this month. This one, last month was about clothes in general. Well, it was about Mary, the fiddler's daughter, but all the many clothes that she was wearing. This one is specifically about shoes. So I'll sing it through to you and then we'll get into learning it. Brògan gamanach, Brògan gamanach. Arain taramatait, Brògan gamanach. Brògan gamanach. Arain taramatait, cura falvan chenafrog. Cura falvan chenafrog, arain taramatait. Cura falvan chenafrog. Cura falvan chenafrog, arain taramatait. Brògan gamanach. Brògan gamanach. Arain taramatait. Brògan gamanach. Brògan gamanach. Arain taramatait. Cura falvan chenafrog. Cura falvan chenafrog, arain taramatait. Cura falvan chenafrog. Cura falvan chenafrog, arain taramatait. So, first question, same as last month. What sort of tune is it? Now, I was singing it at speed, if that is any indication. So, yes, that is indeed a strathspey, which is slower, incredibly annoying to dance. In my opinion, I decided that when I was about 11, and now I just can't stand dancing strathspeys. It's slower. That's the main distinguishing feature for me. So, but it's also in like a swung time. That's not the technical term, but I can't think of the technical term. It's Brògan gamanach. Brògan. Is it long, short? So, it's a strathspey. And I think this one is called Brògan. And I did have some trouble writing down the A part, because with the ha and the they sort of blend into each other, so exactly where it is, that sort of varies. So it will affect the translation slightly, but we'll get into the A part. As you can see, there's not many words, so it won't take us long to translate. So, Brògan agam anach. In speech, you would say Brògan agam anach, but it doesn't fit the beat. So, Brògan agam anach. Brògan agam anach. Brògan, you should know, is shoes. Is new or fresh. And because Brògan is a plural, therefore the adjective is a plural adjective, so it's rather than just So, Brògan agam. I have new shoes. Anach, tonight. And we have Brògan new shoes. So then if you might write this Brògan and then the third line Brògan agam anach without the ha, in which case it says I have new shoes tonight. But the way I've written it here is like I have new shoes. Like, there are new shoes, and then I have new shoes tonight. The meaning is not substantially different because you're just, like, saying the same thing a million times, but it's just where the sentence break is. So, yeah, that's the first 3 lines translated right there. Arain taramat tair. So, arain is the past tense of jian. So, that did or that made. Taramat. Taramat is a Gaelic name. It's often translated as Norman. They are unrelated words. I think it's just the ORM in the middle that makes people think they're interchangeable. And then tair is a tailor. So, I have new shoes tonight that Norman Taylor made. And that's it. Let's sing it. Ha Brògan òran. That's easy, you just go down the scale. Ha Brògan òran. Ha Brògan ha Brògan. I just said ha Brògan ha Brògan instead of ha Brògan ha Brògan. You get the idea. So, ha Brògan ha Brògan. Ha Brògan òran. And unlike last month, the first and the third lines are not exactly the same. So we have ha Brògan òran and brog. So we've got ha Brògan òran. Arain taramat tair. That was a terrible explanation, but let's just sing that verse through slowly a couple of times and hopefully you'll pick it up despite my terrible teaching. Ha Brògan òran. Ha Brògan òran. Brògan òran. Arain taramat tair. Ha Brògan òran. Ha Brògan òran. Brògan òran. Arain taramat tair. Ha Brògan òran. Ha Brògan òran. So we're going to learn the B part now. Puirt-a-beul. Puirt is put, it's a command. Beul, away. And vrog. So we've got brog, which is shoe. And this is, you would normally say vrog, but often you get this spheravacti, I think it's called, epenthetic vowel appearing to make things easier to say. So we've got vrog instead of vrog. And because this is one of the few adjectives that comes before, it is, as you can see here, functioning like a prefix rather than as a separate adjective. And as a prefix, most prefixes in Gaelic will unite whatever they're being prefixed to. So we've got vrog instead of brog shen, I guess. So, puirt-a-beul and vrog. Put away the old shoe. And vrog, the old shoe. All 3 of them, I presume. This is a 3-footed person with many shoes. Puirt-a-beul and vrog. Put away the old shoe. And then arain taramat tair that Norman Taylor made. So, we'll sing that line by line. Puirt-a-beul and vrog. Puirt-a-beul and vrog. And vrog. The third line is the same as the first. Puirt-a-beul and vrog. And the last line is the same as it was in the first verse. Arain taramat tair. So, let's sing the whole thing. We'll just sing the whole thing through twice, but I'll sing it slightly faster than I did before, because that was really slow and I got distracted and accidentally sang the wrong thing. So, a Brògan a gamanach, a Brògan a Brògan a Brògan a gamanach. Ar ein tar am a taid, a Brògan a gamanach, a Brògan a Brògan a Brògan a gamanach. Ar ein tar am a taid, cwr e falaf an chen a frog, an chen a frog, an chen a frog. Cwr e falaf an chen a frog, ar ein tar am a taid. Cwr e falaf an chen a frog, an chen a frog, an chen a frog. Cwr e falaf an chen a frog, ar ein tar am a taid. A Brògan a gamanach, a Brògan a Brògan a Brògan a gamanach. Ar ein tar am a taid, a Brògan a gamanach, a Brògan a Brògan Brògan a gamanach. Ar ein tar am a taid, a Brògan a gamanach, a Brògan a Brògan Brògan a gamanach. Ar ein tar am a taid, cwr e falaf an chen a frog, an chen a frog, an chen a frog. Cwr e falaf an chen a frog, ar ein tar am a taid. Cwr e falaf an chen a frog, an chen a frog, an chen a frog. Cwr e falaf an chen a frog, ar ein tar am a taid. Agus, sin ag a bheith san an dí agus ha mi an dáchas gan feic mi sif yna, iach ging. Cheery and Draste.